Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdi Abdillah. I'm an English student from Itba Dian Cipta Cendikia. On this video, I will presentation about my seminar proposal, and the title is The Effect of English Language Video Games on Students' Listening Skills at SDN 1 Kota Baru, Bandar Lampung. So the chapter 1 is introduction. For the background of the research is this research is aimed to discover the types of narrative text through listening on video games. The research focus enhancing student listening skill through narrative text appearing in the video games, and how listening can be enhanced by narrative text by video games. Based on observation and academic data, many students at SDN 1 Kota Baru show low English listening skills. This ability is essential for understanding instruction, participating in discussion, and accessing English language multimedia content. This is important as listening skills are crucial for effectiveness, communication in real world and professional context. For the identification of the study is there is any effect of using English language video games on the listening skill of student at SDN 1 Kota Baru, Bandar Lampung. For the objective is to determine whether English language video games has an effect on the listening skill of student at SDN 1 Kota Baru, Bandar Lampung. So the benefit of the study is for the first chapter is theoretically the result can help one better grasp how video games might help one becoming proficient in basic English language skills, including vocabulary, pronunciation, and grasping sentence patterns. This is a major contribution to the current corpus of knowledge on how uncommon media help language teaching. For practically, for the student is for having fun and engaging English video games can help students improve their listening abilities. For the teacher should finding of this research suggest another creative approach for enhancing classrooms instruction of listening skill. And for SDN 1 Kota Baru, Bandar Lampung, using video game based learning strategies will raise the standard of instruction in the school. And for the writer itself, it's practically in the setting of listening ability. This research help one to better grasp how technology is used in language learning. And for framework theories is English as a foreign language is instruction of English in elementary school frequently confined to the presentation of fundamental vocabulary and rudimentary sentence formation. The definition of listening itself is listening and reading are essential for receiving language input and developing language proficiency. And the aspect of listening skill is listening is a complex ability involving more than only hearing words or sound. And the difficulty is the listening skill constitute a significant component in the acquisition of English as a foreign language. Nevertheless, students frequently encounter numerous difficulties in comprehending oral materials. And this is for the theoretical review, conceptual framework of the study. And this is a theoretical review, conceptual framework of the study. At SDN 1 Kota Baru, the incorporation of video games as educational tool speaks to address the difficulties encountered by students in comprehending the subject. Video games provide an enjoyable and interactive methodology that may enhance student motivation and engagement in the educational process. So For the title is Video Game on the Student Listening Skill at SDN 1 Kota Baru Bandar Lampung. After that, the writer is going to choose what suitable video games. If there any suitable game like for educational purposes or it's just for the narrative text itself, it can help the writer to research going to help the writer to research the material deeply. And after that, the writer is going to identify the problem. So what's the problem about the student listening skills? Are they kind of bad or they just can handle it? So after the writer identified the problem, the writer is going to pre-test and post-test. After the pre-test or post-test, and the post-test itself, maybe the writer is going to use suitable video games like narrative text or just educational purpose games. After that the writer is collecting the data and analyze the data. After that step, the writer can write the conclusion. Capture 2 is still Capture 2 theoretical review. For previous related study, a research conducted by Jimmy Kusuma and Yastanti on 2022. The title is Enhancing Listening Skill Through Narrative Text in Video Games. So the writer investigates the potential of narrative text within video games to enhance student listening ability. This research employs a descriptive qualitative methodology to examine the narrative framework on two prominent video games, such as Alan Wake 2 and Detroit Become Human. In this research, narrative texts are categorized in two types of structure, linear and branching. Okay, we on Capture 3 is research methodology. For the methodology of the study is the writer is using quantitative research because it's based on the students. The writer have like 38 students, so quantitative will be good choice for the writer. And for the time and place of the study is from 14 April to 20 May. The location is at SDN 1 Kota Baru Bandar Lampung at Jalan Maijen Sutiono, Tanjung Karang Timur. For data source of the study is for data source of the study, the writer using pre-test and post-test for the primary data, and the secondary data is documentation. And for data collection, the writer using listening skill test and documentation. For data collection, test particularly in the area of narrative text comprehension and auditory understanding. The test in the main instrument used to evaluate student core English competence. The writer will give a pre-test to the student, give before the therapy to gauge the baseline skill level of the student, and the post-test is given after the intervention to assess any change or improvement in student capacities. And the objective itself, the exam, in particular multiple choice questions and subjective assessment, for example, short answer essays make up with evaluation technique. The goal of this assessment is to determine how well student grasps narrative work presented by means of video games used as teaching method. And for the documentation itself, to collect secondary data supporting the test findings, the documentation approach is used. The information delivered from paperwork covers curriculum document. This document defines the fundamental competence and criteria in English language education at SDN 1 Kota Baru. A document laying out the plan for educational event, including the application of video game as pedagogical to learning implementation. And for the support again is observation, using video games, paper recording student participant and involvement through the educational journey. And the third one is photographic and video record, picture and video that depict educational activity, student involvement with media and the general classroom atmosphere. And for data analysis, the vocabulary, the effects, and for the data analysis, and for the part of data analysis is vocabulary. The average vocabulary mastery score of student was 3.5 out of 5. Therefore, most students exhibit basic knowledge of English vocabulary. Some students, meanwhile, struggle to remember particular words. And understanding through hearing, about 75% of the kids demonstrate good listening skill, with an average score 4 out of 5. This suggests they can somewhat to modestly understand English distraction or talks. So the conclusion is the analysis indicate a noteworthy positive correlation between students' English comprehension and their playing duration. Those who spend more time playing demonstrated granted vocabulary, grammar, and listening skill. Okay, that's it for my proposal so far, I guess. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.